Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to have a look at the Lauka Vai miniature for the new Soulblight Gravelords army. So this set contains parts to assemble either Lauka Vai or one of the Vengorian Lords. So let's see what's inside the box. This miniature is a bit like Marmite, so you either love it or you hate it. There's kind of no in between. You can guess which side I'm on, judging by the fact that I got this set. Let's have a look. Probably the most burning question people have is whether it's possible to make any conversions with this miniature, because this centaur-like body with the weird torso on top. There's no head, there's a torso, and then there's a head. So this vampire lord literally has arms coming out of the ass. So let's see if there's going to be if it's going to be possible to make any worthwhile conversions. So what do we have inside? There are 2 sprues, a large base. I'm not sure if this is 8 or 10 mil base, so we can just measure. Yeah, this is an 80mm base. Of course, there's an instruction manual to assemble one of these wonderful minis. I'm not sure how cool it would be to have several of these models in the army, even if they're built differently, because you can see that the only differences are the position of the sword, the head, and I think there's something Lauka Vai is actually holding something, while the vampire Vengorian Lord has an empty hand. But the beast body and this little ruined wall, whatever it is actually the same. So if you have many of these miniatures, it'll be probably very easy to notice they're actually the same figure. Now, fine, let's look at the sprues. Some very nice detail, as usual, but that's something we really expect from Games Workshop these days. So the vampire body is actually separate from the beast's body. Well, of course, because the breastplates are different. This is the Vengorian Lord. This is Lauka Vai. So that obviously goes on top of the beast's body. At first glance, it looks like the heads are actually quite large. So I'm not sure which one I'll be assembling at this point, but they look really big. The head looks really big. Let's compare to some other recent miniatures by Games Workshop. So you can see that Lauka Vai's head is bigger than the body of the Crimson Lord vampire. So it will probably be not very useful for conversions if you want to actually have the one of these bodies put on top of a just unmounted figure, because the difference in scale would be quite stark. If you look at the body, it's so massive in compared to non-mounted figures. And if you take say, okay, this is a hero model, But if you take one of the new skeletons, the difference is going to be even greater, of course. So the arm with the sword, it's so much bigger. And a comparison, side by side comparison, the two heads. So this is a normal warrior. Okay, it's a skeleton warrior. He's quite small. If you take like another vampire, Gorath the Enforcer, also from Crimson Court, you see that his head is like is about a quarter of the head of the Vengorian Lord. So so hopefully that should answer the question about possible conversions. Apart from that, the detailing is looking really good, and yeah, I'm going to look forward to assembling this model. Thank you guys very much, and see you next time.